Good day friends. Welcome to Hospitality Doodle channel. In this video we going to see about an interesting topic which is vermouths. Origin and history of vermouths. Production method of vermouths. Best vermouth brands to make cocktails. It's going to be very interesting, so kindly watch the video till the end. Let's go to the video. Vermouths. What is vermouths? It is an aperitif made by fortified white wine with grape spirit and flavored by quinine, ginger, dried orange, lemon peel, hyssop, chamomile and rose petals. Vermouths can be red, white and rose. Vermouths are used for three important purposes. It is used as an aperitif. It is used to make cocktails. It is used to make sauces in seafood cooking. Origin of vermouth. Vermouths is an stylish aromatized wine. Vermouth is a term derived from the German word, Wermut. The name comes from the wormwood shrub flowers which are used while manufacturing vermouth. Vermouths are originated in Italy and France, where the both countries are producing large quantity of vermouths. Production method. There are 4 important steps while manufacturing vermouths. Let's see all. Number 1. Base wine is added in large container. These spirits are high in alcohol. Number 2. The herbs and flavoring are macerated along with the spirits. Herbs, spices and plants such as wormwood, chamomile, cinnamon, cloves and vanilla sticks. Number 3. Highly flavored spirits will be added to high-proof wine and then rested. During resting the blend will get herbs flavor. Number 4. The result drink is fined by proper filtration method. Cooling process will be started and pasteurized to ensure the stability of vermouths. How vermouths are served. Vermouths are served many ways, however everyone knows vermouth means it's used for gin martini. The gin martini may be the first classic cocktail that comes to mind when you think of dry vermouth, but it shouldn't be the last. Bartenders of yore were fond of mixing the aromatized wine with rye whiskey. The most well-known example of this is the Perfect Manhattan, which splits its portion of vermouth between sweet and dry. How to serve vermouth with tonic. 4 cl vermouth. Tonic water. Orange or lemon peel. Ice. Put all the ingredients in a white wine glass and serve it immediately. How vermouths traditionally served. The Italians, Spanish, and French often drink vermouth as an aperitif on the rocks with a lemon twist, if it's white vermouth, or an orange twist, if it's red vermouth. Despite what you may think, vermouth doesn't need to be mixed with anything. Herbaceous and infused with a number of botanicals, there's no reason to mess with its already delicious flavors. I believe this video will be useful for you in your working area. In our next video, we're going to see another interesting hospitality topic. If you want to watch more hospitality videos, then kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get all my video updates from Hospitality Doodle channel. If you like this video, then don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.